Earth is constantly spinning beneath our feet. But what would happen if, one day, that spinning suddenly stopped?
At the equator, Earth's surface is moving at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour. If the solid Earth suddenly stopped, everything on its surface would still have its original momentum. People, cars, buildings, and even the atmosphere would keep moving eastward at incredible speed.
The result would be one of the most devastating events imaginable.
The atmosphere wouldn't stop with the ground. It would continue rushing around the planet, creating unimaginable winds. These winds would make the strongest hurricanes in history look insignificant.
Aircraft would be almost impossible to control, and global air travel would collapse.
Forests, farmland, and entire landscapes would be devastated by the atmospheric chaos.
But the oceans would create an even greater disaster. The water would keep moving too, producing enormous tsunamis capable of destroying coastal regions. Millions of people living near coastlines would face immediate danger.
Over much longer periods, Earth's oceans would gradually redistribute toward the poles.
Entire underwater landscapes could eventually become exposed.
Then something even stranger would happen. The normal cycle of day and night would disappear.
One side of Earth would face the sun continuously, receiving relentless sunlight and extreme heating.
Over time, much of this side could become an enormous, scorching desert.
On the opposite side, permanent darkness would cause temperatures to plunge, freezing huge regions of the planet. Between these extremes would be a narrow twilight zone, where conditions could be far more moderate. Plants, animals, and eventually humans would be forced to move toward this narrow region to survive.
But there's a common misconception. Earth's magnetic field wouldn't simply disappear because the planet stopped spinning.
The magnetic field is mainly generated by movement of electrically conducting material in Earth's outer core. So the magnetic field could persist, although its long-term behavior could change as Earth's interior evolved.
Satellites, communication systems, navigation, and global infrastructure would face enormous challenges.
From space, astronauts would see a planet completely unlike the Earth we know today.
If humanity survived, settlements would likely concentrate around the most habitable regions.
Human civilization would have to completely redesign how it produces food, energy, and shelter. And Earth would still orbit the sun, while the Moon would continue orbiting Earth.